I'm so sorry I am celebrating you today, Her Royal Majesty. Your birthday was supposed to be on the 20th of May. I'm sorry it's coming late. You understand, my child, because I explained everything to you. Happy birthday, Her Royal Majesty.
Hi my people, this Ruby Orjiakor is very selfless. See, from now henceforth, anybody wey bash this woman have me to contend with. Like, do you get? This woman abandoned her only daughter because say she was mourning her best friend, late Junior Pope. A lot of celebrities wey dey bash her now went about their daily businesses just a day when Junior Pope by. But this lady did not post anything till they buried Junior Pope finish before she could even post anything on her social media pages. And some people out there are trolling her. This lady is a very good woman and she deserves the whole world. She deserves everything good, and I pray that heaven continue to bless her. I know wherever Junior Pope is now, he will be so proud of Ruby Orjiakor and so happy for her. Seriously, this woman is a very good woman. Not all friends can do wetin she did for Junior Pope. Happy birthday, Her Royal Majesty. Your new age is blessed. You will continue to grow in glory. You will continue to prosper. As you grow, now so your glory and your destiny will continue to follow you. My country people, abeg type in happy birthday to Her Royal Majesty. Say a prayer for her. It's not easy. Okay guys, stay safe out there. See your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy GistTV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.